This class is an introduction to manufacturing as a whole. So they come in here and learn milling, lathe machines, CNCs, how to read blueprints, how to precision measurements from the thousandths of an inch. I like to refer to this class a lot to show how it's made. Everything you own is machined at some point in time and always will be. And that's where it can be your cars are machined, your cell phone have components machined. Everything you own is machined.
You'll start out super simple with stuff like just a piece of aluminum. You turn it down to a certain thing, make sure you get the right dimensions, and make sure it's in tolerance. You take metal, you make it into whatever you want it to. If you want to make a spin top, you can do that. If you want to make a dice, you can do that.
We'll do all these different stuff where they have to design a model and actually can see it from going from a raw piece of stock to an actual finished product. I want to make the kids where they can go out and actually start their own businesses, want to actually be someone that's wanted out in the industry.
I want to become a mechanical engineer when I'm older. So being in this class has already put me ahead of what most other guys would have because I already know the foundation.
Whatever their hobby is, they can get into something that their hobby has that these machines can make.